What if I told you Japan is about to unleash some of the fastest cars of the decade in 2026? From legendary nameplates to unexpected performance machines, today, we're counting down the 10 fastest Japanese cars coming in 2026. Japanese carmakers are entering a new performance era. Speed alone isn't enough anymore. These cars must be faster, smarter, and more advanced than ever before. And 2026 might be the year Japan reclaims full dominance. The Nissan GT-R Nismo continues to stand as Japan's ultimate performance icon. With race-bred aerodynamics, all-wheel drive grip, and brutal acceleration, the 2026 version is expected to push supercar limits even further. The Toyota GR86 proves that lightweight precision can be just as thrilling as raw power. Balanced, agile, and built for true driving enthusiasts, the 2026 model keeps performance pure and connected. The Honda Civic Type R continues to dominate the front-wheel drive performance world. Track-ready tuning, aggressive aerodynamics, and razor-sharp handling make it one of the most feared hot hatchbacks ever built. The Mazda MX-5 Miata reminds us that driving joy isn't about horsepower, it's about balance. Lightweight, responsive, and timeless, the 2026 Miata delivers pure, open-road excitement. The Subaru BRZ stays true to its enthusiast roots. With rear-wheel drive balance and precise handling, the 2026 BRZ sharpens its performance while keeping the driver in full control. The Lexus RCF blends luxury with raw V8 performance. Bold design, thunderous power, and refined craftsmanship make it a rare performance coupe in a rapidly electrifying world. The rumored return of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution has fans holding their breath. If revived, the Evo could combine legendary rally DNA with modern hybrid performance technology. The Suzuki Jimny may not chase top speed, but its performance upgrades redefine agility and off-road capability. Compact, tough, and surprisingly capable, it proves performance comes in many forms. The Isuzu D-Max could shock audiences with a performance-focused variant. Combining strength, power, and modern tech, it stands out in the performance utility category. The Acura NSX successor is the most anticipated Japanese performance car of 2026. With a rumored hybrid system, extreme aerodynamics, and supercar acceleration, it could redefine Japan's place in the global performance hierarchy. These are the 10 fastest Japanese cars expected to launch in 2026, faster, smarter, and more advanced than ever. Which one are you most excited about? Drop your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more future car content.